Welcome to In This Feed. I am talking about 4 best RC cars for beginners on Amazon. So number 1, the Songtai remote control truck offers an exciting off-road experience with its durable build and 4x4 capabilities. It's designed for both kids and adults, providing hours of fun with its 360-degree rotation and waterproof function. While it delivers robust performance on various terrains, the battery life could be improved for longer play sessions. Overall, it's a great choice for an engaging and versatile remote control truck. Number 2, the Traxxas 58094-1/short course truck offers a thrilling off-road experience with its powerful Titan 12-turn 550 motor and XL5 ESC, reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Its waterproof electronics ensure all-weather durability, and the TQ 2.4 GHz radio system provides reliable control. Ideal for enthusiasts, this truck combines speed, resilience, and precision, though its high performance might require frequent maintenance for optimal performance. Number 3, the Arrma 1 out of 10 Granite 4x4 V33 SBLX brushless monster RC truck offers an exhilarating off-road experience with its powerful brushless motor and durable construction. It boasts impressive speed and handling, making it a favorite among RC enthusiasts. The ready-to-run (RTR) package is convenient, though the need for additional batteries and a charger might be a minor drawback for some users. Overall, it's a high-performance RC truck that delivers excitement and reliability. Number 4, the Redcat Racing Everest 10 electric rock crawler is a robust and capable RC vehicle perfect for off-road enthusiasts. Its waterproof electronics and 2.4 GHz radio control provide reliable performance in various conditions. The 1/10 scale size and durable construction make it ideal for tackling rough terrains. However, the battery life may be a concern for extended use. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy rock crawling adventures.